having a bowling party. We've got Kyler and his siblings here, Amara and Dom. Christian and Brooklyn are here, and then of course my younger kids and Baze. So it's a big party. Hi. It's just a mess.
Never mind, it's not my turn.
Are we gonna say eat Bailey's ass or your ass? Eat Bailey's ass! Eat Bailey's ass for Christmas!
What?
Eat Bailey's ass for Christmas!
Just to be clear, I really suck at bowling. And even Bailey is beating my butt bowling left-handed. So close. Oh. We broke the lane. Every once in a while, pins fall down. Oh, it's so funny. It's been pretty funny to watch these pins fall down. This guy shows up and then pins fall down again. Oh. Says Colton's taking too long to get a snail. Oh, that's hilarious.